Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here with our August wig giveaway. I have on my head Grace by Ellen Villa in the color Salt and Pepper Rooted. This style has been discontinued, but I did do a color spotlight on it, which I have out on my channel. This is an adorable wig. I don't know why they discontinued this style. It is so cute. I do want to give you guys a quick warning though. There is a scam going on YouTube right now where people create fake accounts in us YouTubers' names using a stolen picture of ours, and then they respond to your comments on a video saying that you've won something and asking you to go someplace to claim your prize. I will never ever do that. I ask you, when you register for one of my giveaways, I use Rafflecopter. I ask you to click on a link in the description, go to Rafflecopter and register. I ask you for your name and email address. And if you win my giveaway, I will email you. I will never comment. If you, let's say you comment on this video and say, oh, I love that wig, I won't comment on your comment saying, hey, you won, go to some random app to claim your prize. I will never do that. I will email you from my heywigsister@gmail.com email, and I will never ask you for any money either. Not even for shipping. When I give a wig away, it is a giveaway, full on. And I won't charge you for anything. And that is one of the tricks that they do in this scam, is try to get you to send money to help pay for shipping. I rely on the generous donations of wig sisters like you to help me cover expenses on this channel, such as giveaway shipping. I never ask the winner for it. As a matter of fact, this wig is a donation from a wig sister for a giveaway. So how awesome. I just love how we love on each other in this way. If you'd like to try a style like this, or a wig with gray in it. Maybe you've never tried a wig with gray in it. Now is a great opportunity. I really do think it's super cute. So get down to the description and register. Please make sure that you are checking that email and respond to me within 5 days of me telling you that you've won. Otherwise, I will choose a new winner. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. I love you all so much, and I appreciate you more than I can ever tell you. And please don't ever hesitate to reach out if you need help on your wig wearing journey. I love you. I'll talk to you soon. Good luck.